In the previous video, we learned how to log in to your teacher dashboard and set up your classes. Before we take a closer look at some of the tools and resources in the teacher dashboard, it is a good idea for teachers to take the opportunity to familiarise themselves with the Makers Empire 3D app. As you'll soon see, you don't need any specialist knowledge or previous 3D design experience to start using Makers Empire, so let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Makers Empire 3D app installed on your device. Open the Makers Empire 3D app and sign in using your Makers Empire username and password, or choose the relevant single sign-on option if your school uses one of these services. Makers Empire 3D is designed with a game-based learning approach. It is fun and engaging like a game, but carefully built upon proven pedagogical principles. New users arrive in a small town square that we call Maker World. You'll be directed into the training lab to complete the basic training tutorials. These tutorials are designed with absolute beginners in mind and will teach you some essential tools and techniques, like how to zoom in and out, look around your design, add shapes and change colours. Once you complete the basic training tutorials, the rest of the Maker World will be available to you. There are lots of fun educational activities for your students, but for now, we want to go straight to Challenge Central. In Challenge Central, you will find age-appropriate, curriculum-aligned challenge courses developed by the Makers Empire team. Challenge courses take a project-based learning approach and present students with fun activities and engaging real-world projects. Challenge courses incorporate a kid-friendly mix of short educational videos, interactive quizzes and talk shows, step-by-step pro training tutorials, and open design challenges. Teachers can monitor their students' challenge course progress, leave feedback, and send assessments via the teacher dashboard, but more on that in the next video. By default, all users can try the Welcome to 3D course to learn more about the concepts and terminology of 3D design. It's a great place to start, and we strongly recommend all teachers and students complete this short course. Once you've tried the Welcome to 3D course, take your time to explore the other areas in the Makers Empire 3D app and check out some of the great designs in the gallery. By now, you've learned some basic 3D design tools, completed your first challenge course, and hopefully had a bit of a play. In the next video, we'll have a look at how to assign, monitor, and assess work with the Makers Empire teacher dashboard.